Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix Instagram confirmation code not received. So first and foremost, let's head over to Instagram. Let's click this forgot password and let's type in our username. After typing in your username, you just need to click this find account and you have two choices to log in. You can either send a link by email or get a code or link by SMS. Let's choose via SMS and click on continue. And now Instagram will send us a text message containing the code. So let's head over to messages. And as you can see here, it sent it using the name of Facebook. This is because Facebook and Instagram are connected platforms. So if you haven't received a code from Facebook, you just need to add Facebook to your contact. To do this, click on that message, click on Facebook, click on info, click on create new contact, and let's name it Facebook and IG, Instagram, and click on done. Now Facebook and Instagram is now added to your contact list. That means every message that they will send you will always be received. So another method is head over to settings. After you're in settings, scroll down until you can see messages. And as you can see here, you just need to always make sure that this iMessage is turned on. So let's turn it off and let's turn it on again. There. So scroll down until you can see this filter unknown senders. So make sure that this option is always turned off. It is because if this filter unknown senders is turned on, messages from Facebook and Instagram will not reach you. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.